Hand washing with soap and water in 12 steps. Step 1. Wet hands. Step 2. Apply soap. Step 3. Rub hands palm to palm. Step 4. Rub back of hands. Step 5. Rub palms with interlaced fingers. Step 6. Rub back of fingers with fingers interlocked. Step 7. Rub each thumb. Step 8. Rub tips of fingers in a circular motion. Step 9. Rub wrists. Step 10. Rinse hands. Step 11. Turn off tap with elbow. Step 12. Dry hands with disposable towels. Following these 12 steps for effective hand washing should take around 30 seconds.